So today we're making a small version of the smaller batch of the soft serve, the Dole Whip soft serve. You get the Dole Whip off of Amazon. This is the size it comes in. I don't know about you, but I don't have a 5-gallon bucket that can fit in that freezer. So we're gonna make it a little smaller. I'm gonna make it into like a pint size. So 1 pint is 2 cups. So this is a half a cup of the soft serve. Normally you use water. I like it really sour, so I'm using a lemon juice concentrate. So, and I'm using it with a medical formula, so it also is lemon flavored, or lemon lime. So, starting off, we are pouring in half a cup of the soft serve, the Dole Whip, into the mixer here, and this is a cup and a half of the lemon juice concentrate. Again, you can use water. That's the only ingredients we're putting in right now. Throw that down. We want this nice and smooth. So this is our pint-sized container. This came with a soft serve machine I just got by a company called Warm Wink, and great company. I'll be showing you that one tomorrow. But it came with 3 of those. Okay. So this is that. Put the lid on, and we're going to freeze this for 6 to 8 hours. I looked last time because it wasn't on right. So I'll show you how to fix that too. But this is so I want to make sure you get the lid on right. I'll put this on here, and this locks in pretty well. So now I know it's on. Turn that on. And this is pretty full still. So basically it's a 1-to-3 ratio. So this is a half a cup to a cup and a half. This is going to get really loud once I punch this button. So, and this brings new meaning to the word loud. I cannot talk over it. So you push the sorbet button on this, and because it will do gelato, it will do ice cream. It's got light ice cream, regular ice cream. You do milkshakes, you do all kinds of stuff with it. Sundays. So just gonna push the button to start it. And like I said, it's gonna get loud. So just to get it off, there's a button over here by it. Pull and lift. Now, if by chance it gets stuck on the machine, this is what you do. Because I had this problem earlier because I didn't have the lid on right. So, if it gets stuck on the machine, what you're going to do is don't use the handle, just push it out from the base of it. It worked. That's the only way I can get it out. Now, the other thing, I'm going to take this lid off. There's a button over here on it. This thing is really well made. And that gets the lid off. This blade here, this one, this is a magnet, and a really good magnet at that. So this is a tool that you use to get that blade, to get that magnet out. You stick it in this hole here, press up, and it pops right out. That's how you can also clean it this way. So that's the only way you're going to get it out, though. Because I will put it back in and show you just how strong this thing is. it is really hard to get it in right. The drawback on this is there's no customer service, so it's really hard to get a hold of somebody, and it's sold on Amazon for 146 bucks, which is a really good deal for this. I mean, it covers like 12 different things. So, but that's the machine. That's the texture of the soft serve. And so it's perfect. So nice and thick. But the first time I put it through, it was solid. So it's almost sounds like a jackhammer the first time. This is the second time through, so it's not as bad. But first time through, it sounds like almost like a jackhammer. So it's a lot louder than it was. I mean, it's a lot quieter than it was the first time. But anyway, that's it. If you like the videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and thanks for your time.